students, good evening. So today we are going to cover class 10 CBSE topic application to trigonometries, very important PYQs which are very important for your syllabus. And so let's start solving few of the questions. So this was the question we were left with. It is said that AB is 6 meter high pole. Okay. So what we are going to do is we will draw the figure accordingly while reading the question. This will make our solutions much easier. Okay. So let's start drawing. It is said that AB is a high pole. Okay. So there we are making a pole a little 1 minute. We will make the pole a little big so that it becomes easier for us to write A, B. Okay, this is what? This is 6 meter. This is 6 meter. Okay, now it is said that a ladder inclined at 60 degree to the horizontal reaches a point D on the pole. Means over here there is a point D from which a ladder is inclined, okay, so that it is making 60 degree on the, it is making 60 at the horizontal reaches. Horizontally it is making 60, okay. If AD, what is our AD? Our AD is this is 2.54 meter. This is 2.54 meter and this hole is 6 meter. This hole is 6 meter. Okay, then find the length of the ladder. What will be the length of the ladder? The length of the ladder will be DC. We have to find the length of the ladder. So how are we going to do this? First of all, if the total pole is 6 and it is given that AD is 2.5, can we take out BD? Yes, we can definitely take out BD. How? BD is what? AB minus AD. Yes. BD is, what is our AB? It is 6. What is our AD? 2.54. Okay. Let's subtract it. So we get our BD as 3.46 meter. Okay, don't forget to write the units. So we are getting our BD as 3.46, means this part is what? 3.46 meter. Okay, now it is said that we have to find the length of the ladder. Means we have our perpendicular, we have to find the hypotenuse. Now tell me, we have our angle, we have our perpendicular, we need to find the hypotenuse. What kind of formula do we use over here? We will use sine, because in sine theta the formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, so sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is our theta? Our theta is 60. Yes. What is our perpendicular? Our perpendicular is 3.46 and we have to find our hypotenuse. Okay. So what is our sine 60 degree comes out to be? Our sine 60 degree, over here I am writing, or our sine 60 degree comes out to be root 3 by 2, which is equal to 3.46 divided by h. Now what we are going to do, we will cross multiply these both the values. We get root 3h is equal to 6.8. Okay, so we will get 6.92. Okay. Now we are going to take this 6.92 divided by root 3. Yes. What is the value of root 3? The value of root 3 is 1.732. When you reduce this, try to get the answer. What is our height. This is your word. You have to find, you have to just reduce the two values and you have to find the answer of it. For your convenience, I am writing that the answer when you will reduce, it will be 4 meter. Okay. So try to solve it by yourself. Okay. So the height, we will get our height. Okay. To the next question we have, it is given that a ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees. So we will simultaneously draw the figure for our convenience, and the figure carries marks also, so try to draw it nicely and properly. It is said that a ladder makes an angle, there is a ladder which makes an angle 60 degree with the horizontal, means if the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter away from the wall. So this is the wall, and the foot of the ladder is what? 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter away from the wall. Then we have to find the length of the ladder, means we have to find this. Yes, first of all it is making 60 degree. Okay, now we will name this ABC. Okay, so we have to find the length. So how are we going to do this? First of all, in the question we have got our theta, we have got the value of base. We have to find the value of hypotenuse. You have to question yourself that in what formula does we get base and height? We get it in cos. So can we write cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse? Yes, we have to find our hypotenuse. So what is our theta, which is 60? What is our base? It is 2.5. What is our hypotenuse? We don't know. What is the value of cos 60? The value of cos 60 is 1 by 2.5 by h. What we are going to do further, we will cross multiply these two. Okay, so what we get our hypotenuse as 5 meter. So the value of our hypotenuse is what? 5 meter. So this is our answer we are getting. Okay.